Morning everyone, how are you? I hope you're really well today. It's Monday, so I thought we'd have a go and open some pin boxes. So start sending me all the luck, waves of luck, and I'll see you the other side of the intro. Hit it, maestro! I have got 5 boxes of the Vinyl Nation, which I believe are the cruise ship mystery pins. So, shall we open them? I got these way back. Was it July? Could have been April. We're having a clear out. We are. So then, it's a Disney Cruise Line, and there's that. I've got 10, enough for 10 pins, and there's 10 in the set. So there's 4 mystery, and we have got Mickey and Minnie, Donald, Goofy, Chip and Dale, and we don't know who the other 4 are. So it's a mystery set as well. So that is Goofy, isn't it? Yeah, it is Goofy. Could have been Pluto quite easily, couldn't it? So, he's sending me luck. I need some luck today. Right, so come on then. Are you ready for Christmas yet? Have you started your Christmas shopping? I haven't. I'm waiting for Thursday. And then Friday, it's Friday, isn't it? Black Friday sales, and I'm waiting for Cyber Monday to see what goodies I can get online. Oh, now these are clever, these pins. This is a thicker bag, even though they haven't sealed it at the top there. And it's wrapped in cardboard, so if you wanted to, you couldn't figure it out. Right, let's get my pin board. And for those who don't know, I got my pin board off the lovely Graham Crafters, off Lauren and Chris over there, and they gifted it me. They did, but I bought the bigger boards off them, but they're fabulous. Whatever you want, they will actually make for you, and the details are down in the description box, so go check them out. But look, oh, isn't he cute? Chip there with his sailor outfit on. Oh, I love that. I really love that. And I love this because they made it me, because trying to get my pins in focus. Isn't that kind? Really kind, really kind. So yeah, go check them out. And I've bought that many pin boards now, haven't I, guys? You might be getting to see a few of them in December. You might. Not on my channel, just saying. Right, so then, well, I've got Minnie, but she looks a bit funny. She looks a bit like she's been on the cooking sherry. Do you think so? I think she does. She doesn't she? That is the weirdest face I think I've ever seen Minnie have. Yeah, with the tongue sticking out as well. I don't think they quite got that one on the nail, did they? Right, so 1 box down, 4 to go. What else can we get? So yeah, have you done your list? Have you? I haven't done a list. I buy what I want though, don't I? I'm a devil. We got Mickey to go with Minnie. Oh, this is lovely. Right, let's get this back off. Imagine if we got the whole set. See, I've just tempted fate, haven't I? See, now Mickey's got the same face, but for some reason, I don't think he looks as weird. Maybe it's the eyelashes. And we all know I can't exist without my eyelashes. So I really don't understand why Minnie is looking so weird. But yeah. Right, so next one. And you notice I'm zooming out slowly. I've discovered if I don't put my camera on auto, if I put it on the movie settings, it stays in focus longer. But because I've just done that, it's now just gone into a series of 9 boxes again. but it didn't show up on the editing, so I don't know why it does that. I don't. I should really read the manual, shouldn't I? But it's like 500 pages, so yeah, no. No, that's really weird. Oh, Karen, you are daft. Those 4 aren't actually mystery pins. They're actually ones that represent each of the Disney boats. So when this came out, there was 4 boat ships, cruise liners, and this is the one that's got Mickey on it. So, as I've never done a cruise, I don't know which one that's meant to be. So there you go. That's the Mickey one on there. I thought they'd be mystery pins. Yeah, I really did. And they would have sold so much more if they'd been mystery, wouldn't they? Because everyone wants a mystery. What is it? Is it? I've just bashed my frame on the wall. Is it because we all know everything in life? Once we're adults, nothing's really a surprise anymore. Is that why we get so obsessed with mystery things, do you think? Is that why we like mystery subscription boxes? Because we want to be surprised? Do you think? I think it might be. Right, what have I got here? Oh, I've got another one of those. I don't know which one this is. It looks like Steamboat Willie. So I don't know, but it's a different one. So I don't know who that one is. Oh, you have to tell me down below in the description who each one is. Which boat they represent. Everything else is the same, apart from the picture in the centre. So. Right, next one. Right. Should really be using my little cutter, shouldn't I? But then you run the risk of cutting the pins. And I've got another one. But I don't know who this one is. I don't know. This looks like... Is there a Fantasia fantasy boat? That looks very much like a ship, boat. For all those that cruise, and I'm calling it a boat. Sorry if I'm offending. So, yeah. Because I know everybody says once you've done a cruise, that's it. Then you're smitten for life. So, yeah, I've never done one. My dream... It is actually a Disney one. My dream is to do the Caribbean back-to-back cruise, which is 2 weeks. I think you do about 9 different islands. That's my dream. Go to St Thomas and hopefully everything is, you know, going back to how it should be after all the devastation all the islands have had. But yeah, that's definitely my dream to do that. And we have Dale. Oh my word, okay. 7. We're not saying a word. Yeah, so that's my dream. That's my dream. One day. One day. I'm not saying anything. We have got Goofy. Okay. 1 box left. One box left. We're not going to say a word, are we? Yeah, so that's my dream, is to do that. And I'd also love to go to Mauritius. Oh, the Seychelles. We came so close. Can you believe we got 8 different pins out of a set of 10 on the trot? And then we've got another one. We've got a duplicate of him. Isn't that a shame? See, you popped off to make a cup of tea, didn't you? Should have been sending them. Do you know what a shame that is? We've only gone and got 9 out of the 10. Look, we've got the other one down there. So we've got all the boats and 1 spare, but we didn't get Donald. I cannot believe we actually got 9 out of 10. Can you believe that? And there was no way. It's like if you buy wishables or anything like that, you can feel through the packet. These you couldn't. They're sealed boxes. I think actually that might be my best record to date, don't you? let's hope it continues, because we've got a lot more pin unboxings to be doing during December. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed that. If you haven't already, get writing that Christmas list, and don't forget, you've still got time to be on that naughty or nice list. Which am I on? Ooh, depends who's reading it. If I'm on Phil's naughty list, it'd be bat, 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 bat. It's one of them, isn't it? You can't win everything in life. Anyway, be good, be kind, take care of yourselves. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button coming at the end of the video and the notification bell. That way then, over Vlogmas, you'll be told when I'm uploading, and you'll be able to keep on track and watch what it is you'd actually like to watch. And they also help with the algorithms and all the changes that are happening. But thanks so much for watching, everyone. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.